Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, Nelatur. Welcome to part 7. In this part, we are going to discuss exercise 7.2 problems related to chapter 7, frequency distribution tables and graphs. Welcome to fourth question in exercise 7.2. In the following grouped frequency distribution tables, class marks are given. Observe the table. In the table, two rows are there. One is class mark and another is frequency. First question. Construct class intervals of the data. That is exclusive class intervals. Solution. The difference between two successive class mark h is equal 22 minus 10, that is called 12. Here x means 10 and h means 12. How to find class intervals when class marks given time? Formula is x minus h by 2. It is indicate lower boundary of the class interval. X plus h by 2. It is indicate upper boundary of the class interval. Now we can find first class interval 10 minus 12 by 2. It is indicate lower boundary. Next 10 plus 12 by 2. It is indicate upper boundary. Therefore 10 minus 6. 6 means 12 by 2. That is equal 4. Next 10 plus 6. That is equal 16. Are the boundaries of the first class. Next step, we have to create the table with 3 columns. That is class mark, class intervals, frequency. Already class marks and frequency given. Only we should find class intervals in the first question. The first one is 10. Next class intervals 10 minus 6 dash 10 plus 6. Because how we can get class intervals? H subtract from every class mark onwards. We get lower boundary of the class interval. That is 10 minus 6 means 4. 10 plus 6 means 16. And the frequency already given in the problem. That is 6. Next 22. 22 minus 6 dash 22 plus 6. That is equal 22 minus 6 means 16 dash 22 plus 6 means 28. Frequency 14. Next 34. 34 minus 6 dash 34 plus 6. That is equal 28 minus 40. That is equal 20. Next 46. 46 minus 6 dash 46 plus 6. That is equal 40 dash 52. Next frequency is 21. Next 58. As interval is 58 minus 6 dash 58 plus 6. That is equal 52 dash 64. Frequency is 9. Last class mark 70. Class interval is 70 minus 6 dash 70 plus 6. That is equal 64 dash 76. Frequency is 5. In the fourth question, second question, construct less than cumulative frequencies. Solution. First we have to create the table with the 4 columns. That is class interval, upper boundaries, frequency, less than cumulative frequency. Class interval already we calculated in the first question and copy the class intervals. Next upper boundary. We know that upper boundary means every class interval second number is called upper boundaries. So we should copy the upper boundaries from class intervals. Next frequency. This is also given in the problem. Next we have to calculate less than cumulative frequency. That means the frequency we should add from top to bottom. See how like 6 first as it is copied. Next step 6 plus 14, that is equal 20. Next 20 plus 20, 40. Next 40 plus 21, 61. Next 61 plus 9, 70. 70 plus 5, 75. The fourth question, third one. Construct greater than cumulative frequencies. Solution. First we have to create the table with the 4 columns. Class interval, lower boundary, frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. Class interval already we found in the first question as it is copied. Next lower boundary. Lower boundary means In each class interval, first number is called lower boundary because the class interval is a exclusive class interval. Next to frequency, it is given in the problem. Next we have to find greater than cumulative frequency. That means how to find from bottom to top, we should add the frequencies like this. 5, first one as it is copied. Next step, 5 plus 9, 14. Next to 14 plus 21, 35. Next to 35 plus 20, 55. Next to 55 plus 14, 69. Next to 69 plus 6, that is called 75. This type of process is called greater than cumulative frequency. Next question, sixth one. Construct the class boundaries of following frequency distribution tables and also construct less than cumulative and greater than cumulative frequency tables. Observe the box. In the box contain two rows, ages and number of children. Solution. First we have to create the table with three columns. Class interval, it is indicate ages. Class boundary, again class boundary divided into two parts. One is lower boundary and another is upper boundary. And the last one, frequency. Frequency is indicate number of children. Copy class intervals the question. Next we have to find lower boundaries of the class interval. How we can get? We know that subtract 0.5 from every lower limit of the class interval, we get lower boundaries. So that 0.5 subtract from 1, we get 0.5. Next to 0.5 subtract from 4, we get 3.5. 0.5 subtract from 7, we get 6.5. 0.5 subtract from 10, we get 9.5. 0.5 subtract from 13, we get 12.5. Next we have to calculate upper boundaries. How we can get upper boundaries? Add 0.5 from every upper limit of class interval, we get upper boundaries. So 0.5 add to 3, we get 3.5. 0.5 add to 6, we get 6.5. 0.5 add to 9, 9.5. 0.5 add to 12, we get 12.5. 0.5 add to 15, we get 15.5. Next to frequency, we have to copy it from the question onwards. Next we have to calculate less than cumulative frequency distribution table. First create the table with four columns. The first column name is class interval, second one is upper boundaries, third one is frequency, fourth one is less than cumulative frequency. Class interval, upper boundary and frequency copy from first question. Next we have to calculate less than cumulative frequency, already learnt before problem. Once again see. First 10 as it is copied. Next 10 plus 12, that is called 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 13, 50. 50 plus 9, that is called 59. That means add frequency from top to bottom, we get less than cumulative frequency. Next we have to calculate greater than cumulative frequency. First create the table with four columns. The first column name is class interval, second column name is lower boundary, third column name is frequency and last one is greater than cumulative frequency. Next class interval, lower boundary, frequency copy from first box. And next we have to calculate greater than cumulative frequency. Already we learnt how to get greater than cumulative frequency. Add frequency from bottom to top. See how we can do. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 12, 49. 49 plus 10, 59. Seventh question. Cumulative frequency table given below. Which type of cumulative frequency is given? Try to build the frequencies of respective class interval. Observe the box. In the box contain two rows. First one is runs and second one is number of cricketers. Solution. The given table is less than cumulative frequency type. So next we have to create the table with three columns. Class interval, it is indicate runs. Less than cumulative frequency, it is indicate number of cricketers. last one is frequency. And first two columns copy from the question. Next we have to calculate frequency. How we can calculate frequency from less than cumulative frequency? See how we can do. First 3 as is copied. Next the 3 is subtracted from next to less than cumulative frequency. That is 8 minus 3, 5. Next 19 minus 8, 11. Next 25 minus 19, 6. Next 30 minus 25, that is equal 5. Last question of this exercise. 8th one. Number of readers in a library are given below. Write the frequency of respective classes and also write the less than cumulative frequency table. Observe the box. In the box contain 2 rows. The first one is number of books and second one is greater than cumulative frequency. Solution. First to create the table with 4 columns. The first one is class interval. It is indicate number of books greater than cumulative frequency. Next one frequency. Next one less than cumulative frequency. First class interval copy from the question and also greater than cumulative frequency. Next we have to build frequency. Observe here the given greater than cumulative frequency onwards. How we can get frequency means from bottom to top. That is first we have to copy 6 as it is. Next 14 minus 6, 8. Next 23 minus 14, 9. Next 36 minus 23, 13. Next 42 minus 36, that is equal 6. This is finding the frequency from greater than cumulative frequency. Next we have to calculate less than cumulative frequency from the frequency. Observe here how to find. We should add the frequency from top to bottom. See, first 6 copied from the frequency onwards in less than cumulative frequency. Next this 6 add to next to frequency, that is 13. 13 plus 6, 19. Next 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. Dear children, along with the home assignment, you can copy exercise 7.2 problems in CW. Thank you.